February 14th, 2024. Some birds ranged out. Right there they are. They went deep. Look at that. Hopefully you guys can see them. There's a couple of them. Those guys are feeling good. Making huge circles. Right there is one more. And another guy. Look at that. Flying high, flying deep. Look at that. Probably got about, we're half a dozen out there. Those guys are flying real good. Look at that. There you go. Hopefully a little more of them will go in the sky soon. Those guys are kidding up real nice. I think they're probably the most conditioned out of everybody right now. They're getting there. Let's see if I can get more of them in the sky. The dark lost. Big island of Hawaii. Oh, yeah.